2022 Chevy Colorado V6. I don't think it has even 1,000 miles on it yet. Anyways, got factory converter there, there, and there. So it comes with 3 converters on a Colorado. Wow, that's crazy. Then factory flex pipe. Then what we did is put a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK instead of the muffler that was on it. Kept the factory resonator there and factory tailpipe there out the back. There's the muffler we cut off right there. That sucker's huge, as you guys can see right there. And replace it with the MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK, part number 10415. There'll be a link in the description. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, so he brought this last Monday, about a week ago. 2022 Colorado Chevy. We put a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK on it, but he was complaining it's a little bit too loud for him. So I'm gonna show you what we got. What we did instead. There's factory converters there, third converter there, flex pipe, and then we swapped it out. We swapped out the MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK for a regular stock MAGNAFLOW or a oval body MAGNAFLOW. Here's the part number on it, 11215. There'll be a link in the description for it. As you guys can see right there, it's 20 inches long, body 14 inch. And then we left the resonator on right there and left the tailpipe on for him. So we said we'll do a comparison video for you guys, see which one you guys like more. Comment in the comments for me which one you like more, this sound or the MAGNAPACK sound that we did. There's the tailpipe, it's factory right there. It's a really beautiful truck, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Chevy Colorado. Only 240 miles on it. Go ahead. What do you think? It's not too bad. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 102. That's perfect. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. Really beautiful truck. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Still got a tone to it, but it's not too loud. Again. Yeah, it's still got a nice deep tone to it. Here's sound decibels. Again. So right at 94. There it is. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Colorado. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK, stock resonator. That sounds perfect, man. I like it. Enjoy, guys. So round 2, Colorado with a regular MAGNAFLOW 14-inch body instead of a MAGNAPACK. Just a little bit too loud for him on the inside, so we changed it up. nice country.